Hello traders, this is Day Trader Matt with businesswithtrading.com doing an E-mini trading room recap for the 6th of October, Monday, and today was another great day in the markets. Right off the bat I see that I misspelled the word actual, so let me go ahead and fix that real quick. Everybody makes mistakes, so there we go. Sorry about that, guys. Today we had 6 trades and we pulled 7 points out of the markets, which equates to 28 ticks. I always count using points. It's just a habit that I got into, so I always talk in quarter points and half points, where some people talk in 1 ticks and 2 ticks. It is what it is, but I figured I'd mention that real quick. Today was a really nice day. The market gapped up a little bit. It chopped around, and then it just took off to the downside and never really let up. So it was very, very interesting. Let's get into what we did on the day. Our first trade, actually our first couple trades happened in the first 15 minutes. We grabbed a short up here, turned it into a long down here, and then we got short again up here. The long down here, we pretty much exited up in this range here, and then the market did keep going higher, so we got short. We were able to ride that down and take some profit on that, and then we got short again up here, and we actually ended up taking some profit on that, and market came back up, so we basically got out as it was coming back up. Then we watched things a little bit. Market did chop around. It came down. It came back up. And as it came back up, we got short. And we rode that down a little bit, took profits inside this bar here. And then the market did come down a little bit more, which was actually interesting. As it did move higher here, we did get long down here. And we did get stopped out down here. So it is what it is. We took the stop out and basically closed up shop. The market did bounce over here. It came back lower. From there it was not really, looking that great. And then when it finally did break down, it broke down quite nicely. I was talking about, shorting this breakdown. It broke down. It got a very nice move. We didn't take that, but that's what we were talking about. So that actually worked out fairly well. So that was actually pretty nice. 7 points, definitely a very, very good day. And adding to our current total for the month of October, we're having a fabulous month so far. And, we just got to continue it. That's what trading's all about. You try to make consistent money. You're going to have losses like we had today. We had that loss. Our last trade of the day was unsuccessful. And we had 5 successful trades before it. It was a very, very good day. And, to have all of your trades successful when you're trading over 3 times, over 2 times, over 0 times is actually difficult. So today was a good day. The market just was much, much weaker than what I was thinking. I was looking for a bounce here. Not getting one definitely made it a lot weaker than what I was thinking. And that's why I always say, the market is always going to do what it wants to do. All we do as traders, our trade, we place trades upon whatever the market does. So maybe, we might think the market's going to go up, but it goes down. So what do? Are we going to take a short because that's what the market's telling us, or are we going to take a long because we're going to be pig-headed and biased on our initial thoughts? And that's really what trading's about. Do you go with the market, or do you go with what you were thinking before the market did what it did? And a lot of people like to stick with that former idea of what they were thinking rather than what the market's doing. It's definitely a difficult concept to get across in under 70 minutes. But it is an important concept. So Anyway, hopefully, made sense what I was talking about today. You can always leave your comments below the video. Thanks for watching. Have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you back here in the markets. Thank you.